Hello, guys, and welcome to Prepiv, where we revolutionize how you prepare for IELTS. I am going to address a very common query, a very common query about the dreadful part 2 of the IELTS speaking. Okay, so there are so many students who face this problem that, sir, how do we address a difficult topic in the part 2? Okay, and what they end up doing is that there are some PDFs circulating on the web that, okay, remember these topics, and you will only get a topic out of these. I don't say that it doesn't happen. Yeah, there's a great chance that you will be getting a topic out of that. But do you think that the IELTS examiner is a fool? Do you really think that they can't see that, okay, you are speaking something that is memorized? Trust me, they guys evaluate hundreds and thousands of speakings every week. Okay, it is so easy for them to recognize that if you have memorized something. If you are a candidate, particularly for the IELTS general training, targeting a 7-band score in your speaking, and you are memorizing a cue card and going there, then my friend, you just committed suicide as far as IELTS is concerned. Okay, avoid that, very important. Now let me tell you a very simple strategy, very basic, so simple, you must be aware of this already, but it works like a charm for any topic. Okay, before we go into that strategy, I want to tell you why that strategy is right. Okay, so for that, now we're going to have a look at the IELTS speaking parameters. Okay, the parameters on which your IELTS speaking is assessed, the assessment criteria on which the examiner evaluates your speaking. Okay, so now let's have a look at it. So as you can see here, I have opened the official IELTS website, and I have opened the band descriptors table for IELTS speaking right in front of you. Okay, I will quickly summarize what each parameter means, and then we will discuss ahead. Okay, fluency and coherence. What does that mean? Fluency, that you should be able to speak at length without hesitations, and you should be speaking logically, connecting the things properly. Coherence. Okay, fluency and coherence, lexical resource, your vocabulary, your range of collocations, sorry, how you use the collocations, you use them right or wrong, etc. We have posted a detailed video on this already. I would suggest you to watch that, and I think that you can also see it down there. All right, grammatical range and accuracy. You understand that, right? That you should use complex sentences and you should be grammatically correct. Pronunciation, that you should not pronounce pronunciation as pronunciation. That's it, right? That you should be correct with your pronunciation, as simple as that. So now, why am I showing you these? Because I want to bring you to a point. Do you see task response as a parameter here? Task response, TR, is not a parameter here, right? What does that mean? It simply means that you can answer the way you want to. It is not required that the question that you're getting, you have to answer exactly like that. Now you must be wondering that what am I saying? So let me come into the full screen mode and talk to you. Right. So what I'm trying to tell you is that if you get a difficult topic and you don't know how to answer that exactly, speak on a related topic. Okay, let's say that you get a weird topic, talk about a product or a service that you have used which uses artificial intelligence. Okay, say you have no idea about a product that you have used which has AI. Okay, but you know what AI is, right? I hope that you know what is AI. If you don't, please get to know what is AI. Okay, so if you don't know what product you have used, speak about AI. That's it. Okay, and let me tell you a very simple strategy how you can go about it. Watch my video about how to introduce any cue card topic. After that, just introduce the cue card topic, speak about the topic, about what was happening in the past, what is happening today, what will happen in the future. Say the topic is artificial intelligence. Okay, what was happening in the past? The artificial intelligence was new and everyone was trying to build products, people were researching, there were no good results that were coming out, it was difficult to rely. Okay, enough points to speak about past, today you have so many products. If still a product is not coming to your mind, just continue speaking that now the research has advanced a lot. There are many master's degree in artificial intelligence as well. Many people are using artificial intelligence in different applications like healthcare, in education, in transportation, everywhere. Okay, talk about the future. In the future, I believe that artificial intelligence is gonna play a huge role in the financial sector. It will be benefiting people who didn't have access to healthcare. It will be benefiting people who will be able to learn better, anything, right? You can even say that, okay, you never know if robots take our job. You can speak about the disadvantages in the future as well, that there are certain disadvantages as well, that it is believed that the robots are gonna cause a lot of unemployment because the robots can do the job much more efficiently as compared to humans. So you can speak about all these things, right? Main thing why I am making this video is because I was taking a session today in our one-to-one classes, and the student got stuck that, sir, I have no idea about, I don't know what product I what product do I have that has AI. That's okay, speak about AI. Just speak on the general topic, doesn't matter. The TR is not that important in speaking, but a big warning. If they are asking you about AI, you don't start speaking about computers, okay? You have to stay around the topic, but not necessarily word by word about the topic, okay? Stay around the topic and it should do the job well. So that is it, right? And I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and for your any queries regarding to your education abroad, you can subscribe to our channel, that is Glide by Preppy. The link is right there, you can see that. And if you guys want to get trained by us one-to-one for IELTS, get in touch. We specialize in getting students trained for 8777 and general training IELTS. All right, thank you very much, guys. Have a very good day ahead. Stay home, stay safe, right? If you're all in it together, and we will all beat it together. Cheers.